Just want to help you through this Get More Math question. So just identifying different parts of a parabola. The vertex, of course, is right here. So as an ordered pair, you would enter -2, 0. The vertex is a point. Remember, if you're asked to find it algebraically, you do -b over 2a. If it's in standard form, and then you plug in to get your y. The y-intercept, do you see it? It's where it crosses the y-axis, so that's 0, -4. The x-intercepts, sometimes there's two of them. This particular one has just one. It happens to also be the vertex. Now the range, remember, is a question of y. So it's how low to how high. So this graph goes forever down because of the arrows, but the highest it goes is right here. That's your maximum value, which is 0, never gets higher than 0. So the range includes every value less than or equal to 0. Axis of symmetries, where if I folded this parabola in half, what's the vertical line that it would fold on? So vertical lines are always in the form of x equals, because it's an equation. So x equals whatever the x coordinate of the vertex is. Here it's x equals -2. If you do not type in an equation right here, you will get the pink dot in Get More Math.